Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my next video of comparative analysis. Okay, sheet number 3. What was our problem? Our first problem is construct a box plot. We covered this, and second one is compute and compare average strength with standard deviation for 4 looms. So we can do it simply. Suppose I copy this whole data what I have got without this box plot. I copy this whole data with this table in sheet 3 to make you understand better. My table name is still it's changed, so I make it, say this is named as just loom 2. Okay, this is now named as loom 2 and this is named as just loom. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to compute average and standard deviation for each loom. So you can do it in two ways. First one is simply you write in here average and here is standard deviation, that is SD, and we in this case we compute sample mean and sample standard deviation. So from our basic knowledge we know how average function work, so we just type average. What we want to average, we just want to average this number for first loom, so just copy this, so we have the average and make it to decimal, so we have the average for all looms. So what about the standard deviation? It's also simple, you just type stdvs because we use sample, and insert this for sample and you have the standard deviation. Okay, very good. Now we can see from there that let's compare with the box plot. Highest mean was obtained from loom 1 and our average also shows that 97.50, which is highest, little bit higher than loom 4, and the lowest is loom 2. What about the box plot? Yes, box plot also shows that strength was lowest for the loom 2, and lower variability attained for loom 3 because standard deviation is lowest for loom 3. So simply we have the average. Now let's do the same analysis we using pivot table. To do this we just what the name of our table, its name is loom 2. Okay, insert a pivot table here. Okay, pivot table here, and what is your table name? Loom 2. Okay, loom 2, we have the field, so drag loom in, let me make it big. Okay, and drag strength in value. Okay, we have the sum, we don't need the sum, we need average. So what we have to do, we just have to change the value field and click average. Yes, we have the average, you can see from here we have the average, and same average should be it should be same, we work with the same data. So now I just want to make it little. Okay, we have the average, but we also need the standard deviation. Again drag the strength in value field, also it produces the sum. We don't need the sum, we need standard deviation. Is it here? Yes, standard deviation is in here. Standard deviation is for sample and standard deviation, this is for population, I think. So I need this standard deviation. What about my, I just make it simple. Okay, we have this standard deviation. So you see that in both way we can compute average and standard deviation for each loom and compare the result. Sorry, the mosquito is bitten me. Now we will construct a comparative bar plot with error bar, most important. So see this attentively. We just copy this result. So we don't need this raw data, we just need the average and standard deviation for each loom. So I think it will be better, I just rewrite this loom. Okay, this grand total is not actually a good, we don't need this, we just copy this, and I copy this table and paste is special. Be careful, we paste is special as a number or value so that it doesn't copy the pivot table. So let's make it big. Okay, big enough. I think you could see clearly and you could understand. This is our required table to make a bar plot with standard error. So I again request you, be attentive and be attentive. This is our heading, we have nothing to do with this. So what we have to do, we just want to plot average as a bar. So I will go with basic. We take a blank cell and click on bar. Okay, this is blank. Now select data. That it shows the data range. We don't type nothing or no selection here, we just add. What is our series name? Series name will be average. You can select it from here or you can write from here. And what about the series value? Our series value is average of 4 looms. Just click it, okay. And what about the horizontal axis? It should be the name of loom. So click on here and select the loom number 1342. Why this is like that? Because it take the alphabetic order, I think 1342. But this is 12. It's not a big problem. I think you can just rearrange it on yourself, or let's make a change. Okay, 1 2 3 4, this is good. Sorry for correction. Okay, sorry, this should be as a number. Okay, now it's good to look and see. Okay, we understand how to make a bar plot. Now we add error bar. What about the error bar? Error bar is the plus minus standard deviation from mean. This is our mean. Okay, loom 1's mean. So we have very little time. Let's make a try. Okay, right button. I think it's not possible. Okay, I will repeat it in next video. Thank you.